As in, I'm a rare beaut. I'm a rare child.
Anyway, we locomote. We move. Okay. So.
Babe, how far? Wait till they wear. Then me, I'll be like, Omo, now rare beauty I dey wear.
Lord Jesus, take the wheel. Hey, Father Lord, who sent me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. She came out with a full line of collection from eyebrow pencils to liquid liners to brushes to foundations, concealer, liquid blushes, lipsticks. She came out primers. She came out with a bunch of products. So I didn't get all the products she came out with just because I want to be able to get products that I know even after reviewing or after showing you guys, I'll be able to still use in my day-to-day life if I like the product. Okay, because if I don't like it, it's going back to Sephora, point blank period. But anyways, so I picked up the foundation, I picked up the concealer, I picked up the blush, I picked up an illuminator, and I picked up a liquid illuminator, and then I picked up lipstick. Okay, so the foundation is 1 fluid ounce, so it's not like the biggest, size bottle foundation, but I feel like a lot of people might buy this product just because the price is less than $30. A product is less than $30, so I think it's way easier to buy it. That's just my opinion. I'm hoping this shade that I got will work for me. I think so. This is how. So it comes in this pretty much clear packaging, and then it says 450N. I feel like it's handwritten, like with a pen, but I don't know. This is the packaging it comes in. Pretty basic, simple packaging like that. And then this is how the foundation looks like. It looks like this. It has like a light pink color, and it's see-through. I feel like, I don't know what kind of packaging this is, if it's breakable, but I wouldn't try it. So it's made in Canada. So I'm going to prime, and I'm going to be using my Becca Skin Love Blurring Primer, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to use the foundation. So one thing I've noticed is it can get really dirty easily. I think my eyeshadow color was on my finger, and I just touched it and it's kind of getting dirty, but I think it's also easy to clean. So yeah, not so. Oh my god, it's so liquidy. Okay, let me shake this well. Ooh, so it's so liquidy that I don't know if you guys can see, it can start getting really messy. So let me just shake it really well. Oh my god, this is gonna be a hot mess. Okay, let me use my wipe. God, I don't like how it's going. Okay, so I'm gonna use it. It has this doe foot applicator thingy. I don't really care for it, but okay, whatever. So just my first thoughts from just putting this shade. It is a little bit light for me, but let's see. I feel like I can finesse it. So it looks a little bit orange, and yeah, it looks really light on me. Oh yeah. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like chemical. So I'm going to be using my brush. I usually tend to use brushes for my foundation, so I'm basically going to apply this product like the way I would apply my regular foundation. So yeah, this is very lightweight. Like, it's so lightweight. I feel like I don't have anything on my face. So I do have some dark spots right here, and it basically didn't cover anything at all. So I'm going to add more. So this is my second application. For me, the coverage is very light, right? And I'm sure there are people that don't want to feel like they have a lot of makeup on, and there are people that this is good for. But for me personally, this is not it. I think what's throwing me off is I guess I picked the wrong shade. So I wouldn't blame this on the company. I would blame it on myself. Let me look at myself in the mirror. So I think because I picked the wrong shade, it actually looks like I have a lot of makeup on. Like when I look closely, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like I have a lot of makeup on, right? I don't know. I don't know how I don't know. I'm not loving this as much as I thought I will. I'm going to use the concealer. I got the concealer in 400W, and this is how it looks like. The packaging is beautiful, guys. I don't know if I talked about the packaging, but it's gorgeous. I love it. And I think this might be too light for me. Lord Jesus, take the wheel. Hey, Father Lord, who sent me? All right, let's see. So the applicator for this is kind of weird. It's kind of like slanty. Like, I feel like if I had gotten the right shade of foundation, this should actually be good, because I kind of like a bright highlight. So this is actually the concealer. It's not that bad, actually. Ooh, it's blending really nice. Okay. Oh yeah. So it does look like this doesn't really dry down matte, which can be good, because if you're someone that, you know, you're not really the best with blending, this would be perfect because it doesn't dry down matte, so you don't have to be there struggling to blend like. But as you can tell, it doesn't really cover that much. My under eye, whatever, is still there. So Selena did have a blotting powder. I don't use blotting powder, so I wasn't going to get it because I don't use blotting powder. I'd rather use a paper towel, or I'll just use my brush or add more setting powder, my face powder. So I'm going to be using my Black Radiance setting powder. So I picked up two of our blushes, the liquid blushes. I picked up Faith and I picked up Love. So Faith is like a purple color, and then Love is a terracotta color. Really beautiful, guys. So she did have like matte blushes, and she also had like I don't want to say shimmer, dewy blushes. I picked both are actually matte blushes, because anybody got time for, you know, dewy? Oh god. So this is Faith and this is Love. So I'm gonna put that right here. This is actually very pretty. I feel like all my black girls, they need this in their life. Yeah, it's pigmented enough that you don't actually need to set it with a powder blush. Like, that's how pigmented it is. So I picked up the illuminator in Captivate, and honestly I'm kind of regretting why I picked this up, because this is like a copper color. So I feel like this would be like a perfect like blush topper. This is how it looks like. So I don't really see like a highlighter. I feel like this can be, so I see the potential, but this is not my style. You know me, I like to be blinded, you know. I need you to see from afar. I feel like this would be like, you know, if I wake up in the morning and I don't want to be like too glowy, I'll put this on. Or I can put this on as my, you know, first base, right? And then put on like my powder, kind of set it with my powder highlighter. I think it would work perfectly with that. Right now, it's not giving me anything, period. So the last thing that I got are the Rare Beauty matte creams. That's this purple one in Strengthen, and then I got Rare Beauty in Inspire, and I think this is Selena's like favorite lip. So the purple one is Strengthen, and then this one is Inspire. I hope my camera is picking it up. I'm not wowed, like, maybe because I have a lot of lipstick, so it really isn't like, I don't think there's anything revolutionary that I need, because I have a bunch of lipsticks. But yeah, I just want to add more, because in the picture it looks really vibrant on our lid. Like, it looks, I kind of feel like you might go through this a lot, because you can see how many times I've applied it. So if you're someone that like this shade and you know you wear it all the time, you probably run through this faster. So guys, I'm actually going to be very honest with you guys, because I took pictures. I didn't take pictures, but I took a picture to kind of see how my face looks, and my face looks terrible. It just looks a hot mess. Yep. I'm just gonna, like, I say the way it is, so I'm not gonna sit down here to sugarcoat it, but I'm gonna return it. Yeah, I'm gonna return it. To me, the only thing I won't return is the blushes, because I can see myself using the blushes and I actually think like they're pretty. But the highlighter, it didn't do anything for me. I've tried so many highlighters. I don't feel like there is a need for me to keep the highlighter, because I'm not going to use it. The color is nice, but I can get it somewhere else and it's going to do the job for me. The lip paint, lipstick, I'm not wowed. So I think the thing with me is I'm not wowed. Like, there's nothing in this collection that's like, oh, I can't wait to, or like that makes me interested to want to see what she brings, I feel like this is it. I'm sorry, but the concealer, I like the shade, but it didn't do much for me. Like, it blended well. Don't get me wrong. It blended amazing. Like, it blended. This is one of the easiest concealers that you can. The pros, it's easy to blend. It's easy to blend. You don't feel like I feel so light. Like, I feel like I'm not wearing makeup at all. That's just how I feel. But this isn't for me. It's not for me. The blushes I'm definitely keeping, but the concealer, the highlighter, the lipstick, and the foundation, it's got to go. So I hope you kind of enjoyed this review. I'm not excited. Will I recommend it? No. If you are trying out makeup and you just want to, test, maybe. But I mean, save your coins, ladies, and save your coins. Don't worry about it. Use it somewhere else. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you guys find this very helpful. Also, let me know if you've tried this brand, or you're going to try it, or if there's something you really want to try, let me know. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate that, guys. I really appreciate your love. I want to interact with you guys in the comments, so please make sure you leave a comment. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.